Yeah, hello. Today we'll be looking at a trick. We'll be like a trick. It's going to be short and interesting. Remember to always follow us. We are here to just give you heads up on how to go about your next presentation, giving you some tips and tricks on how to help your next presentation look more stunning and allowing your audience to stay glued to your presentation, no matter how long it is. Join me as we just look into card flipping, card flipping, card flipping. Yeah, let's dive into it. As usual, first of all, the first thing to do is to set your layout to blank space, then a rectangle come with a rectangle. All right, let's do a rounded rectangle so that it will take the form of a joker card. Let's do a rounded rectangle like this. A rounded rectangle like this. This is all we need to do. Remember to make it align. Let it just align the way it should be. Okay. All right, so we just want to adjust the edge a bit like this. Yeah, I think this is cool. This is cool. All right, and we might just want to change the field. Let's change the field to, let's say we change the field to this, and let's just give it a bit of design. A bit of design. Let's say we are going to duplicate this. We're going to duplicate this by pressing Ctrl D, and we are just going to be, reducing it. We're going to be reducing it, or let's reduce it further. Okay, and insert it. Okay, like this. Right, fine. So next thing we want to do is to just uh let's try, and you see this, let's change the outline color. Let's change the outline color. Let's give it a matching color of blue, and let us change the weight of the, okay, something like this. All right, fine. Okay, so what else want to do is just to highlight all and press Ctrl G, set it aside, then set it aside and do a duplicate. Ctrl D, do a duplicate of it like this. Okay, then let's ungroup this so that we can change some things there. Let's ungroup it, ungroup, then let's change this color so that we can know when it is flipped to the other side. Okay, let's do this like this, and we just want to change this to, okay, so let's change the outline. Let's change the outline color to, say, okay, yellow. All right, so we're going to be grouping this together once again by pressing Ctrl G. All right, so let's say what we just want to do is simple. Let's just bring in any icon of our choice, we're going to insert icon, any icon. We are not going to be selective, and we are not just going to be too much, let's just do this. Let's do this. And we are using two cards, so we'll be needing two different icons. Let's do this and let's do this. All right, let's insert it. Okay, let's separate it. One goes here and the other goes here. So we might just want to change the color too. Let's change the color too. Yeah, let's change the color like this, and let us just increase them. Let's increase it. All right, so this is what we have. Then what we just want to do is simple. This is where the trick is. Just watch closely. This is where the trick is. It's a simple thing, but it's a bit tricky. Now look at what we are going to do now. So we just need to take the all of this. We just have to control G2 again. Let's control G them again because they have to come as a card. Okay, let's take one. Let's just merge them together. All right, no problem, no qualms. Let's select all and bring it to the center. Let's just bring it to the center like this. Okay, now we just want to pick the first one here. I want to pick the first one here. Then we go to our 3D format, say 3D rotation. Remember the two. Let's do the two first. Select all and go to 3D rotation and select your preset to be front perspective like this. So the two is already on front perspective. So we are selecting the first one. So selecting the first one, then we are going to the property of X to be 180 degree. All right, then we send it to the back. Okay, then we come here and duplicate the slide. Then on the second slide we select this guy too and we do 180 degree, right? We do 180 degree. Remember what we want to do, 180 degree. Okay, then we send it to the back again. Send it to the back again. Then this very guy, okay, this very guy, we select it again and we go here and go back to our 3D rotation and set it to 359 like this. Okay, 359 like this. All right, but before we continue, let us just try and give our background a bit of let it be a bit darker so that it can give us that kind of sweet effect, or let's just give it a gradient effect and we'll be going with, okay, a default background, say this, and we'll be coming with radial type of linear. All right, like this. So now let's see where the magic is. Now we need to do the same to this guy to just right. Then we select the second slide, then we go to our transition and we select morph transition. So that is it. As we can see, it's already giving what we intend to achieve. Okay, this is the front and this is the back. This is the front and this is the back. Isn't this interesting? Please do it to follow us on our YouTube channel. Thank you for always being there and see you in the next video. I want to believe this is quite interesting for you, so do well, make your own and drop a comment for us. Thank you.